Hello and welcome to my video guide for the best start into Walken. I will show you how you set up the game on your phone, lead you through the different game elements and give you some tips so you get the most out of the game and your daily steps. If you don't know what walking is and why it is a good possibility to earn money by walking and getting a better, healthier lifestyle, then I recommend you my first video where you can get an overview about the project. In this video we will go a little bit deeper into the game mechanics and how to optimize both your progress and your earnings on the start. For more progressed players, there are also video guides on my channel about a specific game element and strategies. But first, if you want to have a quick start to boost off your account, use this code at signing up to get some juicy bonus. After the sign up you not only get a free Cathlete, which you can convert into a tradable NFT later in the game, but also you get 11 gems, 5 Walkens and 100 Misberries. With these you can upgrade your Cathlete on day 1. You can download the app in the App Store or Google Play Store. Then it asks you for a method to sign up. Here you can choose between Apple, Google and Facebook. Just remember what you chose in case you have to log in again. Then the app creates your wallet. Here it is important that you note your 12 recovery phrases. Since we are dealing with money, these are security measures. Best is to do it old school and write the words down with pen and paper. Don't skip it, the app does an unannounced test where you have to know your words in combination with their number. Then finally you meet up with your first Cathlete. A truly magical moment. It is totally free and you can start earning small amounts of money with it. Corgoine was my first Cathlete and although it is not the best, it has 67 max stats, I was fairly happy with him. Your cat starts on level 0 out of 10, but you can upgrade it later in the game. And here we come to the two most important resources of the game, gems and Walkens. You need both in order to uplevel your Cathlete. Gems are earned through your step count. You get 1 gem for every 1000 steps. On top of that there is a multiplicator that you can earn more gems per steps, but therefore you need more Cathletes. I recommend you absolutely go for up to 6 Cathletes in your collection and also having a Genesis cat. Genesis cats are cats with a special sign on it. You can get them from a loot box or you buy it from the Marcetplace. You find them if you apply this filter. They are more expensive and don't have better stats, but you earn more gems and having one also gets you more Misberries for competition losses. But we come later to that. On this screen you'll see your steps. Here you should also look if your steps are really counted, so you get your gems. Otherwise try to change your settings or Y to the Walken support. The other resource is the Walken token. It is the primary currency in the game you need for buying cats and items and for leveling up. And we can transfer them to 3 marketplaces at the moment, where you can trade it to other cryptocurrencies, to dollar or euro or whatever. I recommend Bybit because it is the easiest and fastest way for trading Walkens. If you want an exact tutorial for buying and selling Walkens, I will link it here once I have done it. Note that all Walkens you earn are on your pending balance. You can only transfer to your wallet when you have an NFT Cathlete. Therefore you need to buy one on the marketplace or convert your free Cathlete on level 6 to an NFT. At the last you can transfer Solana to your in-game wallet. These are sometimes necessary to buy and sell something, but in this case you can just transfer like $50 and you are fine for an eternity. Let's come to the collectibles. Here you should see your free Cathlete and on top of that you see your items and Misberries. Both give your cats a boost for their competitions. Items you have to buy from other players or get them out of a loot box. Berries you can only buy on the marketplace or get them at other points in the game. For example, from losing competitions with your cat. This brings us to the center of the game, the competitions. Your cat has 3 energy that refills after 2 hours. With every energy you can compete on a competition against another cat. If you win you get a Walken prize, if you lose there's a chance to get some Misberries as a consolation. Once you have spent all your energy, your cat has to wait till it has refilled some energy. There are 3 tournament modes. At least now, but more are to come. But for now you have sprint, marathon and urban running. Here you see which trait is the most important for the mode. So look for the highest stat of your cat. When this is speed, do sprints. When it's stamina, do marathon. And when it's strength, do urban running. This way you get the best out of your Cathlete. There are 5 leagues and every league offers you more rewards. but your cat lead needs to be a special level to compete there, so level up your cat as soon as possible. On top of that, there's the Marketplace. Here I recommend exploring a bit for yourself to get an overview about what stuff is available and how the prices are. You can buy and sell cat leads and items like hats, shirts, boots and so on. For both there are different rarities. These reach from common over uncommon, rare, epic up to legendary. Each rarity, the cat or item, is a bit better than the one before. Also you have additional elements like the Wheel of Fortune and daily quests. For both I've done a video I will link here. For the beginning, just spin the wheel one time and do the daily quests you can do without spending too much Walkens. Both things get you more rewards later in the game. This brings us to the last element of the game, the ranks. The better your rank is, the more rewards you get from daily quests and Wheel of Fortune. But in order to climb the ranks you have to fulfill a number of requirements like walking an average step count or having more cat leads. Okay, what tips can I give you for the start? At first, don't take the ranks too seriously. Aim for rank 4 because it is not so hard to reach and has some good rewards to it. The same is for rank 7 later in the game. But don't spend money you don't want to invest in order to climb ranks or buy something you didn't need. The benefit of better ranks are not so important. They are just like a nice bonus. This brings us to the second tip. Invest the Walken you earn in a way it earns you more Walkens. Don't let them sleep on your pending balance or wallet. Most of the time a better idea is level up for a better league or buying a new common cat lead. Tip number 3. Always use all the energy of your cat lead. Once it has 3 energy, at least for the common cats, it stops refilling and you lose some battles you could have done at that day. Tip number 4. Compete in the right tournament mode with your cat lead. As I said, look at the best trait of your cat lead and only compete in the fitting tournament mode for it. The earnings are the same for every mode. Tip 5. Stay away from items and Misberries in the beginning. Yes, getting your cat lead a cool looking boost for competitions sounds like a good idea, but in reality the boost of items or Misberries is not that high and you can earn more Walkens when you just buy another cat for the same price, because then you can compete double the amount of times a day. Tip number 6. Stay away from higher rarities. Again, these cats do cost a lot more than commons and yes, they are winning more, but still you earn more Walkens with more common cats. Unless you have too many cats and battling is too stressful with all of them, don't buy higher rarities. The best option at the moment are level 6, 7 or if you have the money level 8 cats, because they can compete in League 4 and 5 where you get 1 and 2 Walkens for every win. Tip number 7. My last tip is for the walking part of the game. Try to do the 10,000 steps a day, because then you get 5 bonus gems and these help you a lot in the beginning of the game. So sometimes it is more efficient to go for a longer walk instead of doing 5,000 steps every day. These tips should give you a good start into the game. Thank you for watching the video, it means a lot to me, and if you want to stay updated about the latest news on the Walken app and also get the best strategy tips in order to optimize your earnings with Walken, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn the best strategy for Walken's new feature, the daily quests, click on this video. See you!